What's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Xman Co. Today we're making amazing chicken wings. Now who doesn't like chicken wings? We're going to take it up a notch, especially for you guys. Let's do this. We've got about 1 kilogram of chicken wings. This is the star of the show, some spices, and it's going to be amazing. We've got the full chicken wing here, so basically the little wing, and right at the end we've got that little drumstick. We're going to show you how to cut it, straightforward. Let's jump straight into this cook. Before we carry on, let me introduce you guys to all the ingredients we're going to use today. As always guys, it will be listed in the description below for you to go and check out later. On the right here guys, we've got some olive oil, we've got some garlic powder, some smoked paprika, a little bit of cumin powder, some sea salt, some butter, just a dollop of that, and then right at the end here we've got some honey. Now guys, the honey is optional, but we want a little bit of a stickiness as well at the end, so we're going to run with this. Right, let's get over to the chicken wings. So guys, we're going to cut this wing off over here and then cut straight to the middle here to make sure that the wing part and the little drumstick is separated. So very straightforward, you'll find the knuckle there. Just cut it straight there with a sharp knife, and then just go for that corner, and eventually you're going to get to the bottom, and there you go. And just cut all of them like that. Now guys, don't throw these away. We've got some doggies, some fur babies. We like to parboil these or even just quickly sear them, and the dogs love them. This is once again one of those cooks that so little effort and so much reward. That's why we love this. We love to share this recipe with you guys, as this is so easy and quick to do. About 90% of the work has been done. So now all we're going to do is just spice these chicken wings. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with our garlic powder, then our smoked paprika, our cumin powder, salt, and then guys, we're going to go in. We're going to just mix it nicely, make sure that all the sides are covered of these wings. You want to make sure that the flavors are going to be equally distributed as much as you can. At this stage guys, it's time to wash our hands and get the fire ready. You want to get your skillet nice and hot. Once you're happy with the temperature, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then guys, in with the chicken wings. So at this stage guys, we're just going to turn them, keep on turning them. We want to get a nice sear on them, and just want to make sure they really get all the flavors in. We spiced it nicely, so we're not worried about that. And now it's time, after about a minute or two, to add our butter. We're going to go with a nice heaped tablespoon of butter. Just want to add it to this beautiful dish. Some depth and really creaminess, nice aroma of flavors. It's really going to uplift this dish. Mix it once again. We can really see that sear coming through, and it's starting to turn out golden brown. At this stage, you want to crack some pepper. This is the right time. We don't want to get that pepper in too soon. Now's the perfect time for this. We're going to leave it for about 2-3 minutes. Just make sure it's nice and golden brown, and you can decide how far you want to take it. And once we're happy with that, we're moving over to indirect heat, where these puppies are going to just go to the next level. It's going to be amazing. Once we're happy with this here guys, it's time to take the skillet off and set up our indirect heat. You want to create like an oven-like situation, and that's why we're going for the indirect heat. We're trying to make sure there's no coals in the middle where the skillet's going to be, because we don't want it to burn from the bottom, but rather have like a convection oven heat all around the skillet. We're aiming for about 180 degrees Celsius, 375 Fahrenheit for the international guys. So we're going to make sure this bad boy gets to temperature, and then put the skillet inside for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's going to be amazing. Hang around. It's been 15 minutes guys, and it's time to check up on these beautiful chicken wings. That looks absolutely divine. Remember we said we're going to add a little bit of stickiness to it, so we're using some honey. Just going to go ahead and drizzle a bit over all of these beautiful wings. There we go. I would say it's about 2 tablespoons of honey. We don't want to overpower it, we just want to make it a little bit sticky. We're going to mix that in, and then we're going to give it another 5 minutes cooking away. 8 minutes later, guys, and this cook is done. Let's have a look. Looks absolutely beautiful. So have a look at that. Right, guys, there's one more step that we have to do. Let's do that. So we're going to transfer all of these beautiful chicken wings that we made here over to a bowl, and then that's where the magic's going to happen. Get all of that sauce together, get a nice big spoon and drip a little bit over that meat that we have here. We're going to add a little bit of butter, I would say 1 tablespoon. We're just going to get it in there, and this, guys, is really going to uplift this dish. It's just going to give it that little bit of glossiness, and then also really going to give it that creaminess that we're after. It's time to plate, guys. We're not going to make a fuss about it. In with the chicken. There we go. Make sure all those drippings come off onto the chicken. That moment of the cook, the best part. Let's taste it. I'm going to go for a little drumstick. Guys, that's what it looks like. Have a look there. That looks absolutely amazing. Let's taste it. Oh yeah. This is nice. It just breaks off. This is chicken wings, guys. It's full of flavor. I can actually taste the garlic, which is amazing. Just the right amount of salt. It's soft and tender. It's the way you like it. It's buttery. Very important. It is absolutely amazing. Now, guys, you know what you have to do. You will have to go and try it out. I want to dig into this, but I have to say thank you for all your support, and you know the story. If you like what you're doing, like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We cannot do it without you. We'll see you on the next one. Yeah, I was waiting for that. There you go, okay? It's amazing. Try it out. Just falls off the bone, huh?
Perfection.
There you have it. Perfection. Check you guys later.